Hello mga ka-season bros! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel. So today's video, I'm gonna share with you the simple wall decor craft which is made of paper. So first, we're gonna have cardboard, scissor, glue, and of course, the shining paper or we're calling a piece of colored paper which I already cut into squares, small and big, then strips of white paper and another strips of colored paper. And then we have some strips again. So we got with the square, it depends on you the size you choose. So we're gonna just flip it and paste it together and put some beads, so like this as shown in the video. So simple as that. So I made it before already, this much, and then we just gonna set aside. So after that, we're gonna take the strips of paper, we're gonna fold it into 4 to make it small. Then we're gonna cut it like this. So this art paper is good because it's already two colors, white and the other one is blue. So another, that piece of paper, white paper we have, we also cut it and we will roll it like this to form a flower. So we will just continue rolling it until we finish all the strips that we have cut before. So in order for us to form a flower that we will use later in our decor. So just follow the steps. It's just very easy, only you need to cut it small piece by small pieces. So it's done. It's like, it should be like this. And then now we are going to assemble in our cardboard. So as shown in the video, it's just simple as that. So kaya-kaya din itong gawin ng mga kids nyo guys, instead of giving them the mobiles and everything and some this mga what do you call this, gadgets. So let them keep busy by doing some simple crafts. At least they gonna learn, and also they will exercise their mind how to create some designs that they like. So now we are just keeping the smallest one that we folded in the middle, and that flower thing, that strips thing, we're gonna put in the middle of our cardboard, so it shows like that. See, simple as that, we already formed this decor. So now we're gonna put the last thing, strips on the back, to add the design later. So we're gonna flip it and put the last item, which is the small one, at the edge of that strips. So ganun lang ka simple at kadali, pwede na tayong gumawa ng disenyo para sa ating mga wall. At pwede nyo rin itong gayahin or gayahin ng mga kids, which can be good also as project in the school. So ayan na, tapos na guys. Ready na for wall decor ang ating craft na nagawa today. So simple lang siya at ang color niya nice, combination blue and white. So hanggang dito na lang guys ang aking video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on our next vlog. Bye!